Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be coming to you with another hair review. Now this hair review is for a company called Beauties. They're on Instagram. I will link their social media down below. And also, if you would like to get these gorgeous lashes that I'm rocking, I will also link their Instagram down in the box and also give you my discount code to use. So let's get right into this because I don't want to make this video super long. So it came a couple days ago. It came in this gold box. I have 4 Bodywave bundles, and we're just gonna open up the box and see what we got in here. So it comes with this, and it says thanks for shopping with us. And this is their card with all their social medias. Like I said, I will link them down below. And they're 14 inches, and these are all the bundles. So we're just gonna get into this. So it's 10-inch Bodywave. It's really soft. I'm getting the shedding. Also has thick wells. It does have a little bit of a smell, but you can just wash that. Not getting any shedding. All the bundles are soft. No shedding. And they're thick as well. They're really thick. Like I said, they have thick wells. Yeah, they're really soft. Just run your fingers right through them. Thick. And I have 4 bundles, which is good. So they send you enough. It's 4 bundles. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Yeah, and on here it tells you how to care for them, so give you care instructions. 100% human hair, and tell you how to wash with the shampoos and how to avoid tangling. So overall, these are good bundles. And like I said, since I'm a small YouTuber and not really big on Instagram yet, I am working with like smaller companies, so that's why I only get like 10 to 12 inches. But as I continue to grow, then I will start, I guess, getting, you know, longer stuff and more opportunities in hair and stuff like that. So right now I'm just kind of, you know, working my way up. But I didn't want to make this video super long. I just wanted to give my honest review. And like I said, I will link all their social media down in the box as well, so you can go check them out. But pretty much that's everything, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later, guys. Bye.